This is a flight simulator lab. It means our aerospace students can design aircraft, and then that is programmed into this device, and then they can actually fly their aircraft and see how it performs. The two key strengths of engineering at Swansea is advanced engineering and materials, and also advanced computer modelling. We teach a range of engineering disciplines. We have robot laboratories, we have a lot of chemistry laboratories. Other core business is research.
We have highly multidisciplinary environment, and we are kind of unique.
We now go from very, very fundamental research all the way up to actually working with industries, and then feed the pipeline of innovation into companies' new products. We've also got Bloodhound, supersonic car, that at some point is going to try and break the world speed limit. Since 2007, we've had about £150 million worth of European funding. Has helped to fund buildings and equipment, and most importantly, the people to carry out the high-powered research we need to do.
So this EU project gives us that platform to get very close to the industry, to deliver economic growth locally as well as all over the country.
Very difficult to do this sort of thing gradually, so this new campus was a step change in what we could do. We're currently constructing a new engineering building which is called Impact. That particular building will house 65 new researchers plus their research groups, so we're actually expanding quite significantly, and we have done over the last 10 years.
We are taking this idea which is being developed into something called co-locating. The industry kind of locates a little bit of operation here for a period of time, and working with the colleagues in the College of Engineering to deliver that sort of project very directly relevant to the industry.
But we have other projects, for example, Astute, which was funded by European money, which works very much with Welsh companies, and a collaborative project is set up where the company decides what needs to be done. We provide the experts, and then collaborative research is done to solve those problems. And they've helped lots and lots of local companies, local SMEs as well.